Questioning Everything with Garrett and Adam.
This is the way things work. Things look weird sometimes, right? And it can look like two objects are moving beside each other in the same altitudes or whatever like that, and then one veers off, and one just because of the lensing of how things are, how things appear. It's the appearances of things, right? Again, my first thought is like, well, satellites. Your first thought's aliens.
No. I was thinking satellites. Like
no, but once it's shut off,
that was
then you're like, okay, satellites are done. Fuck, that idea is done. Now I'm like, what's happening to those satellites that is causing that illusion? Right? What is my visual? What does it look like it's happening compared to what's happening? Like, is this a stick in the water where suddenly I'm seeing that it's bent? Our senses are the way that we see things can't always be trusted. You have to understand how things work and corroborate that with what you're seeing. You put anything in the water and you can see that it gets completely disjointed. It looks like it's over or it's bent. Right?
I get it. I know. I see where you're going with this. That's totally rational. Yeah, I agree.
There's stuff that happens in the sky that will have the same sort of effects.
But there's a lot of eyewitness testimony. There's a lot of videos that are just fucking bonkers that are beyond. Like, there was a video I just seen recently of a fucking triangle that was caught from 4 different angles or 2 different angles from different people in the city. A giant pyramid twisting and turning, staying the same shape over the Pentagon. Like just one, but there's just so many weird videos where you're like, what?
Yeah, I think that's all fake.
Oh boy.
Well,
fair enough.
Where's there's no actual videos of this thing twisting and
it's just a giant pyramid that's like rotating.
But that's not real, right?
Well, there's 2 different people that caught, there's 2 or 3 people that caught it from different points that were just randomly like, what the hell is that thing? Mm-hmm. Someone from a car that followed it. Someone from a building on the other side of the Pentagon in the middle of the night. And if I tell you where I saw it, you're just going to laugh, but whatever. Like, it was Ozzy Osbourne's Believe, the new show on television.
No, it's cool. But those things are largely faked. We've got visual effects. The other thing is that leverage between countries means that you want to look like you're the only people who have alien technology. And so...
Let's get really back to the Bob Lazar.
Which was totally edited out of the first one, I think.
Well, you just keep on editing then.
No, but the idea that the government is more likely to mess with people's heads in order to produce the illusion that they've got something or there's some communication with aliens. As far as them releasing that video, again, I'd assume that there's something that they're trying to distract everybody with. Look over there.
Well, I agree. Like I do. Are
they testing? I agree.
System? I'm not like, oh my god, it's like I'm not totally nuts. Like I'm trying to rationalize it as well. Like, what is it?
So what are they doing? What's the Tic Tac video?
I think it's an actual fucking alien, man. They're probes or something. I believe that they just send fucking probes down here to take samples of the ocean.
Probe minerals.
What? Just probing Earth, dude. They're just millions of years ahead of us. They don't give a fuck. They're already talking to people. I think there's a percentage of it that's absolutely fucking real. For sure. And there's almost more.
With no heat signature.
They don't need it. No heat signature. That's just their technology.
It doesn't get picked up by thermal radiation.
It's cold, isn't it?
No, it did not get picked up by thermal.
I think that's common.
Not detected by thermal radiation.
I think that's common that it doesn't.
Nope. That's actually not common.
I have to look into this now. Common with UFOs?
Maybe common with UFOs, because the thing is that that's a huge clue for me.
Why?
Because, first of all, everything that exists has a heat signature.
Says who? Says Earth people. I think that the combustion engine is a...
What are you talking about? No. What are you talking about? Let's ground ourselves.
You're talking about the actual...
We're talking about heat signatures produced from an object, right?
Okay.
So it's an object. The heat signature would be a differential between the air and that object. So if it's cold, it'll turn up blue. If it's red, it'll turn up red.
So there's no signature.
If there's no signature, do you know what that means?
What?
It's not there.
Right. Okay.
It means it's not there. It means it's an illusion. It's a hologram. It's a trick. It's a tapping into the radar systems somehow in order to produce some illusion. It's something. And it's an illusion that's such a significant one that they've managed to fool airplane pilots. They've managed to fool credible people. I'm not discrediting people who say they see things, and I'm not discrediting what they see. The idea to me that it's aliens, or that it'd be like, well, it's obviously aliens, is
I'm
ridiculous.
not saying it's
You're not. Everybody else is.
Okay, but you're talking to me right now.
This is reality.
I am saying it's obvious.
You're representing the alien people. But
well, don't fucking take your alien aggression out on...
Everybody says that it's aliens.
Jesus Christ, here. I'm not your this is a fucking joke. Alien, fuck, what are you talking about punching bag here, man?
Advertisement loading.
Have you been to our Discord, Garrett?
I don't even know what Discord is, dude.
Me neither. Good talk.
You don't. I'm sad.